Managing your financial records in Xero is usually straightforward, but what happens when you enter a transaction incorrectly? Mistakes happen, and it's essential to know how to correct them efficiently to keep your accounting accurate. We need a tool to simplify this task. At the top right corner, click on the waffle icon, often called the waffle iron menu, and select Find More Apps. This takes you to the Xero App Store, where you can find many useful add-ons for your Xero account. In the search bar, type SaasAnt Transactions. Click on the SaasAnt Transactions app to open its details. Here, you'll find a Get This App button. Click on it to integrate SaasAnt Transactions with your Xero account. Once SaasAnt Transactions is set up, look for an option labeled Delete. You'll see two choices, Imported Files or Xero. Since our goal is to delete transactions directly in Xero, select Xero. Next, choose the type of account you wish to delete from, for example, bill, then select the date type and range to find the transactions. Suppose you find 7 records that match your criteria. You can use the filter option to narrow down these records further. For safety, consider downloading these records before you delete them. After confirming the records you want to remove, go ahead and delete them. You can also download a record of the deleted transactions for your records. With these steps, you can efficiently correct errors in your Xero account using SaasAnt Transactions. And there you have it. With SaasAnt Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.